Unlock Your Spine is a groundbreaking program that has garnered rave reviews for its ability to alleviate back pain, restore energy levels, and promote restfulness. This comprehensive guide empowers users to realign their spines, all while avoiding the need for invasive surgeries, potent medications, or endless visits to the doctor's office. One of the most remarkable aspects of Unlock Your Spine is its emphasis on minimal time commitment. With just 10 minutes a day, individuals can embark on a journey towards a pain-free life. The program's content is rich with valuable insights, including techniques for establishing proper sleeping and sitting positions that alleviate stress on the back. Users are guided through a series of stretches and movements that not only provide immediate relief but also address the root causes of their back pain. What sets Unlock Your Spine apart from other programs is its unique focus on spinal alignment as the core factor in alleviating back pain. By meticulously targeting the underlying issues, this program offers a holistic approach to healing. While similar practices may be found online, none offer the same level of expertise, guidance, and proven effectiveness. Unlock Your Spine fills a significant void in the market, making it an invaluable resource for those seeking genuine relief. It is important to note that Unlock Your Spine is a limited-time opportunity. The creators are aware that certain entities, such as pharmaceutical companies and therapy providers, may not welcome the widespread availability of this solution. By offering a safe and effective alternative to conventional treatments, Unlock Your Spine disrupts the status quo and challenges the profit-driven motives of these entities. Users can rest assured that they are gaining access to exclusive information that is not readily available elsewhere. The effectiveness of Unlock Your Spine lies in its unique techniques that cannot be found anywhere else. The program is designed to be gentle on the body, making it suitable for beginners and individuals with various spinal alignment issues. Unlike conventional treatments that often involve risky medications or exhaustive physical therapy, Unlock Your Spine offers a safe and natural approach to healing. Unlock Your Spine is remarkably user-friendly, requiring minimal equipment. While the spinal aligner is recommended for certain movements, no additional costly or complex apparatus is necessary. The creators of Unlock Your Spine are so confident in the program's effectiveness that they offer a money-back guarantee. Although the overwhelming positive feedback and success stories from thousands of satisfied users speak volumes about its efficacy. In conclusion, Unlock Your Spine is a game-changer in the realm of back pain relief. By providing a holistic and accessible approach to spinal alignment, this program empowers individuals to regain control over their lives and bid farewell to debilitating back pain. Don't suffer in silence any longer. Seize the opportunity to try Unlock Your Spine today and unlock a pain-free future.